Welcome to this overview of Interskill's JES2 curriculum. JES2 is one of those products you hear very little about, but it is critical to just about everything that runs on the mainframe. It is used to run jobs, manage output produced by programs, and is even required to log into the mainframe system. It is important for most data center staff to have at least a basic understanding of JES2, as it plays a key role in their day-to-day work on the mainframe. Other staff, such as application programmers and especially operators and systems programmers, will need to interact with it to ensure workloads run smoothly and efficiently. Make no mistake, a problem with JES2 can grind processing to a halt. Enough about the importance of JES2. Let's take a look at Interskill's JES2 curriculum to see what you can expect to learn. The first thing you will notice is that there is considerable content, 10 courses spanning over 32 hours of learning. The curriculum begins with some introductory concepts in the JES2 Basics course, helping you understand what actually happens when jobs are submitted to the mainframe and output is produced. Knowing about this can save you considerable time if you're trying to locate the results of jobs you've submitted. The Understanding JES2 Processing course delves deeper into job and output processing on the mainframe. It is invaluable for operators and system programmers as it discusses the types of devices that JES2 uses, describing the status they may be in and the attributes that can be defined to them. It also provides scenarios where JES2 has failed or may need to be stopped and how to get it up and running again. There is a good chance that, as an operator or systems programmer, you will need to converse with JES2 to display activity or manage JES2 devices. This is usually achieved by entering JES2 commands, something that is covered extensively in the remaining courses. This begins with the Using JES2 Commands course, which looks at command syntax and then generally at what can be controlled using these commands. The next set of courses is primarily aimed at operators, but systems programmers will also find them useful. They focus on day-to-day and problem resolution tasks, introducing the JES2 command used in these situations. This ranges from scheduling, releasing, cancelling, holding or rerouting jobs to managing initiators that run the jobs and printers that print output produced from completed jobs. Following this is more advanced content, which is aimed at more senior systems operators and systems programmers. These courses present a number of JES2 related problem scenarios and discuss how to obtain key information that you can use to analyze and resolve the problem. For example, if there is a shortage of some JES2 resources, processing performance can become degraded or even grind to a halt, so knowing what to do in these situations is especially important. Understanding how JES2 manages currently running work when errors arise can help you quickly recover the system so that little or no processing is lost. To round off this series, there is also the Advanced Tips and Tricks course that looks at providing experienced staff with advanced training on new JES2 related initiatives, as well as shortcuts that may help reduce the time it takes to perform some tasks. The JES2 learning offerings don't stop there. The JES2 Console Simulation series provides a range of simulation exercises where you can practice a wide variety of JES2 commands. These simulations help to consolidate all the previous content you have learned. If you look at Interskill's job role portfolios, you can see where these JES2 courses fit in. This one is from Interskill's Systems Programmer Learning portfolio, focusing on ZOS system problem resolution. You can see that there are a number of JES2 courses included here, along with a JES2 problem resolution assessment that appears in green. In this portfolio, you can also see several other ZOS e-learning courses, which combined with the JES2 training builds a solid level of skills and knowledge required to identify, analyze, and resolve many mainframe processing problems. If you are undertaking one of Interskill's IBM endorsed certificates, then obtaining a solid understanding of JES2 is going to be mandatory. You can see in this operator certificate learning plan where JES2 courses are introduced and where IBM endorsed badges are automatically attained when criteria are successfully completed, such as e-learning and assessments. This is something tangible that confirms the JES2 skills and knowledge you have obtained. So, regardless of the role you play in your mainframe environment, Interskill's JES2 curriculum has much to offer. Feel free to reach out to the Interskill Learning team to discuss any questions you may have about this curriculum. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning.